Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we will go over the slice method for arrays in JavaScript. Let's get started. We are in VS Code now. Let's create a new array of numbers. If we apply the slice method to this array of numbers, then it returns an exact copy of an array that doesn't change the original array. Okay? And it accepts two optional arguments where it represents the index values of an array items. So the first argument is a starting index and the second argument is an ending index. Here the ending index value won't be included. We will just come to that point later down the line, but right now keep in mind that the ending index is exclusive one. Okay? And if we don't provide any arguments, it simply copies the entire array. If you see in the terminal that both num and num1 variables look similar, right? This means the original array was not altered and it only copied the given array. So, if you are performing some computation and don't want to disturb the original array, you can use the slice method to make a copy. I hope you understand what I am saying. Then let us try passing the arguments. So we will create a new variable called num set1 which is equal to num dot slice of 0, 4. We are passing two arguments here. Whenever we pass the second argument to the slice method, it internally adds -1 to the second argument. Okay. So the value of 4 minus 1 will be 3, right? In that case, it returns the data from 0th index to 3rd index. So the value will be 5, 10, 15 and 20. Let's add one more variable called num set2 which is equal to num.slice of 4, 7. Since the slice method adds -1 to the second argument, here the index will be selected from 4 to 6. So when using this slice method with arguments, just be cautious that the value of the second argument is not included. If you see in the terminal, you will find out that the value at index 4 is not included in num set1 variable and the value at index 7 is not included in num set2 variable. Let's add another variable called num2 which is equal to num.slice of 2. Here we are not passing second argument. So in this case, it starts at index 2 and returns all the data in the array. So it returns the data from index value 2 to 7, right? And this slice method can accept the negative indexes as well, where the value starts from end of the array. So 40 will be -1 index, 35 will be -2 index, 30 will be -3 index, and so on until the first item in the array. So the first item index is minus of array.length. Let's create one more variable called num3 that is equal to num.slice of -5. So in this case, the slice method look backwards from the last item. Okay. So index of -5 matches the value of 20 in the array, right? So it returns the value from 20 to 40. For example, if we pass -1 as the second argument, the slice method internally adds -1 to the second argument. So the value of -1 plus -1 is -2, right? So it returns the value from 20 to 35. So that's it about the slice method. Some use cases include copying an array or creating subarray from an existing array. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again in the next video. If you have any questions, please post them in the comment section.